Hello, my name is Joshua. I work at Motovated Design and Analysis, and I've got a wee tip and trick for you. When you're working on large assemblies, such as this one, there's a bit going on, especially with detailed parts, and you want to make a small change. It's really easy for that change to then mess up other things, and you have no idea on why they've gone wrong, or even if they have gone wrong. So I'm going to show you a quick compare tool that makes it very simple. So what we're going to do today is we're going to raise the height of this battery. So in doing so, I'm just editing the sketch, changing that height from 11 millimeters to 15 millimeters. Yeah, seems like a fairly simple change. You can see in the tree, nothing's fallen over, nothing's gone wrong by all accounts. She's a bit of a win. So we're just going to, part of the trick is to save as. So you want to save as and to open. Just save it as something simple. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go Tools, Compare, and compare geometry. You can compare features, but I don't find it works as well. So you can see here I've got my assembly and the two batteries. So I've only changed one thing on this battery, but I want to compare to see if I've messed up with any other features. It's important that you do align parts, because what we want to see is we want to see the difference to them. If you don't align parts, it can be all over the show. So once you've run the comparison, usually doesn't take too long. If it's for a large assembly or a large part, it can take a while, but from my practice runs, this one only takes about 10 seconds. Alright, so here we've got both parts open. You can see that from battery low side 1, battery low side test. But we want to make visual parts removed. Ooh. Doesn't look like I've done it right this time either, which is just lovely. So we're going to see if we can just take that 15 back to our 11. So that's our original size, and we'll run our compare geometry again. So hopefully this time we'll actually show what the old part looked like and what the new part looks like. And with that we'll be able to see if there's any geometric changes. So if any radiuses have fallen over, any bits have moved. Excellent. Alright, it's actually worked this time. So we've got our test part, our part that we've extended out by 15 millimeters, and I find the best one to look at is material to remove. So the material to remove is what changes I've done. So you can see on the bottom screen is following that 15. So that 15 millimeters have been brought out, but you can see it's done something funny here. We're on the original part that was straight up and down, and for whatever reason on this part it's decided to radius it. And you can confirm that by looking at the material to add, so you can see what the difference between them are. This is a quick, simple tool to see what the changes that you've done actually are the changes that you've done, or if you've done something else. This is quite important in plastic molding injection alterations, because a small radius change like that can be a real pain in the ass. So when we go back to our final piece, we can still see the parts, the piece that we've added on, although we can't see the piece that is messed up because it's under cover here. So there's a quick tool to be able to see if what you've done is right or not. Well, thank you for watching. That was my tip and trick. Hope to see you next time and hope to improve your SolidWorks skills.